right there on the H.E. Bailey where it turns down south. That's where it is, right there. It's, man, it's about terrible. This is war zone terrible. This school is completely gone. Now we're going to stay right here. And 4th Street and more, we're still headed west. Let me see, completely destroyed as kids run up to hopefully their loved ones. A bottleneck spot came from this area here, and that, like I said, that's just going to be just to the west side of Telephone Road, south of 4th Street. Flood water just picked all that up, shoved it right there in the V part of the hospital, and again, an insurance company that used to be there. So, 44 or other ways, or if maybe okay. Get out of the way, and it was bumper to bumper. Yeah, that's the bowling alley. The one to the left was a Spanish-style Century 21.